How to permanently delete a CapCut account. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio. So if you want to permanently delete your CapCut account, then here's the step-by-step guide of how you can do this. It's super easy, but before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to delete your CapCut account, simply go ahead and open up the CapCut application from your mobile, and from the home page, go and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. Now, once you're here inside your CapCut profile, go and tap on the settings icon at the top right, and once you're here inside the settings, go and tap on the second option, manage account. And inside the manage account, if you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll get to see the delete account option. Go ahead and tap on this. And this will redirect you to this verification page. Go and tap on continue from this page, and this will give you the confirmation how your account will be deleted. You can read all these, and once you're pretty much sure you want to delete your account, go and tap on I still want to delete my account. And once you tap on these, go and tap on the delete option from the confirmation. And once you do that, your CapCut account will be deleted. Now if you get back from here, if I go to the profile, you'll get to see the account has been signed out by deleting your account permanently. Hope you find this helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.